announce the Carnival of Goa. We request all the dignitaries to please be seated and watch as the parade moves in its grandeur right in front of our eyes. What you are going to see is Goan Rome Tamil. It is a traditional Goan folk performance usually seen during the Shigmo festival in the month of March. This one is going to be accompanied by rhythmic beats of instruments like dhol, tasha, kasali and others. It celebrates Goan culture, community spirit and festive joy. Go ahead, roll it out.
All right, this is the opening ceremony of International Film Festival 2025. Tired getting, ma'am. And how are you feeling here at IFFI's opening ceremony?
You know, film festivals are very, very special, but this time it's totally different and very interesting because we saw so many cultural dances and the various elaborate get-ups and, of course, all the people connected with the IFFI here, all the effort and hard work which goes into putting together such a big and international event. I'm happy to be here, mainly as representative of CINTA. Of course, I am an actor for the last 40-some plus years, but as the president of Cine and Television Artists, I feel it's a special responsibility and a pleasure and an honor to be here, and I'm waiting to see some really good films.
Absolutely, any of my red carpet is incomplete if I don't meet Poonam Dhillon, ma'am. We always love to hear, right, ma'am? We always...
Yes, you are there at all important occasions, so it's a pleasure to see you.
Yes, and I think also, Poonam, ma'am, I would say, you being the CINTA president, it's a huge responsibility, and of course, it's an international film festival happening here. So, what are you taking from here? What are the things you want to share with all the aspiring actors out there, and pointers that you would want to share with people out there?
You know, I mainly came with this in mind that I should be able to express to the government representatives who are here the problems and the issues faced by some of our actors. Of course, the actors, we see glamour, we see money, we say beauty, but there are also lots of number who don't have all of that. The top queen, maybe 50, 100, 200 may have that, but in our center we have like 9,000 members. So there's so many who suffer a lot of issues, and I'm so keen that their voice and their problems be heard and addressed and resolved, all of it.
And इस बार ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में परेड जो है वो हो रही है. I'm sure आपने भी उसका लुत्फ उठाया होगा. Like all our audiences out there, what do you have to say about this unique step that IFFI has taken this year?
I think if we can't keep repeating the same thing, it becomes monotonous. So it's a wonderful change. It's very different, and especially for our international people who have come here, they get to see the culture, diverse culture of India, the vibrant culture of India, and the beauty of our costumes, our get-ups and all of that, and our different forms of dancing.
Right. On that note, thank you so much. Parade की बात की है तो let's go to parade live happening at the opening ceremony. See you there.
The energy is to be seen, to be believed right now. ये ढोल ताशे जो मेरे पीछे बज रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी कार्निवल परेड की शुरुआत हो चुकी है और आज की जो शाम है, हजारों की भीड़ है मेरे आसपास और इनके बीच में मैं खड़ी हूँ. It's an absolutely magical moment at the inaugural ceremony of the 56th IFFI और डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस हो रहे हैं और उनके पीछे तैयार है 24 फ्लोर्स, 24 झांकियां अलग अलग प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस थी गोवा की ओर से, लेकिन उसके साथ ही याद रखिएगा वेव OTT की भी एक झांकी आ रही है। अब से कुछ देर पहले तेलुगु सुपरस्टार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अपने 50 वर्ष पूरे करने के बाद डॉक्टर नंदमूरी बालाकृष्णन को यहाँ पर एक बहुत खास सम्मान से नवाजा गया और उनकी आने वाली फिल्म अखंडा 2 की भी एक स्पेशल फ्लोर यहाँ पर आने वाली है। तो एवरीवन, मुझे लगता है जितने भी आप लोगों ने आज तक फिल्म फेस्टिवल देखे हैं, शायद ये जो एक डिप्लोमेटिक वे का फिल्म फेस्टिवल है जहाँ पर सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ ही एक आम शख्स जिसे केवल फिल्मों से प्यार है, जिसे केवल कला से प्यार है, उसके लिए ये मौका है कि वो यहाँ आए और इस एनर्जी का हिस्सा बने, इस पूरा ये जो आर्ट की वाइब यहाँ पर तैयार हुई है उसका हिस्सा बने। और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि हमारे जितने गणमान्य सारे मेहमान मंच पर बैठे थे, कितने ही उन्होंने फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड किए होंगे ऑडिटोरियम में बैठकर, लेकिन उनके लिए भी ये बहुत बड़ा मौका होगा आज पब्लिक के